Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to achieve this look, and I'll be giving you a very detailed beginners friendly guide, so stay tuned. Let's get into the video. I'll go in with this Essence long lasting eyebrow pencil to do my eyebrows. So we start by putting the eyebrows in order using a spoolie. Just brush like this. If you have oily brow area like me, you get some powder, you dab so that your pencil can glide on easily. When filling in front here, you use very little pressure. You don't want it too dark. So I just fill it with a very light hand and use a spoolie to brush. So this is how it should look like. It should look something very natural, lighter here and darker towards the end. I'll clean my brows with this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer and also clean the top part with this foundation. I'll clean the arch with this lighter shade. And the front part with my foundation shade or my foundation. Blend in the excess product immediately. I'll go in with some of this concealer as my eyeshadow base. Focus the concealer on the lower lid or the eyeshadow primer, and then you gradually blend out the edges with your brush. Eyelids prepped, and I'm going in with this Color Blast eyeshadow palette from Catrice Cosmetics. Using a round fluffy brush, I'm going to pick this dark brown. Focus it on the outer lid and gradually bring it inward. I'm using beginners friendly shade, brown and nude colors. When you get a more fluffy brush, you tilt it to the side and you use it to blend the edges in circular motions. If you can't blend using circular motions, you just go like this, in and out, gradually swipe through and it will get blended. Now that the eyeshadow is blended, I'm going to take some powder and just set up here. And when it's time for the brighter shade, I'm using this palette from Foschini. Right here, I'm going to pick this gold color. I it here on the inner corners of my eyelid. Try to pass the colors over each other gradually for a perfect blend this way. You don't want a harsh line between the two eyeshadow colors. You can actually see how the two colors have blended into each other. I'll use this Essence Deep Eyeliner to line my eyes now. Eyeline done with eyeliner, so I'm going in with some mascara to create a base for eyelashes to sit. I prepped my skin, so I'll just go in with this spray. It's also a priming spray just to refresh. I go in with my foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation. Spread it out with a brush. foundation brush, I'll just go ahead to blend it in with. So I mixed these two foundation shades and it just gave me my perfect shade. Look at that. Matches my neck. I'm going in still with that Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to highlight my face. Yeah. And the bridge of the nose. I usually like to blend my highlighted point starting from the forehead area because it dries out quickly. Then I will end with the under eyes. Blend my under eyes at once with a powder puff. You can either use a brush or powder puff. Both give a nice coverage. I recommend both to give very good coverage on under the eyes. If you use a brush to blend, you need to go in with a powder puff or beauty blender to eliminate any harsh lines and pick up excess product. I'll now go in with this liquid sculpt contour from She Glam to contour my face. This is the brush that I use to blend in my contour. This one, you can blend it into the hairline. And for this other part, you do it in lifting motions. This way. Take this mattifying powder from Essence, set my under eyes. You can also use what is left on the beauty blender to define your contour. Juicy Melon Blush from Essence Cosmetics. Using this Fit Me setting powder to set all those contoured points. You're not doing too much, just a little bit. Another Fit Me setting powder, but this time around my shade to set the rest of the face. I take this other brush, make sure there's a little bit of powder on it, and I use it to eliminate this excess powder here. A bit of highlighter just on the highest point of the cheekbone. Highlighter on the nose, I always like to put just a little bit. Look at that. I go in with this nude lipstick shade. Lip gloss.